Part of the Gulf of Mexico is particularly shallow, or at least relatively shallow. So as these storms push all that water toward the coast, it just has nowhere to go. So it goes onto the land. Some places could see between 7 to 11 feet of storm surge. Think about your basketball hoop, you know.
Wow, and they're still recovering from the last hurricane.
Yeah, just down the coast, down in Fort Myers, just last year with Ian. So, you know, a scary situation, but I'm glad to see that they're preparing and they're getting ready for the storm. Another hurricane out there as well. There's Hurricane Franklin, which just exploded overnight. This system didn't just become a major hurricane last night into this morning, but it became a Category 4 hurricane and continues to strengthen. This will steer clear of the coast. Idalia will not, and it will continue to strengthen as it tracks to the north. Let me show you Franklin first, a very powerful hurricane right now, that well-defined eye as it tracks to the north. Wind speeds, at last check from the Hurricane Center, are at 145 miles per hour. The track for Franklin takes it to the north. It curves right around Bermuda, and then it heads up to the northern Atlantic. Now, it will come within about 500 miles of our coast. I'll show you how that could indirectly impact our weather as we head into the next couple of days. Meanwhile, Tropical Storm Idalia, 65-mile-per-hour tropical storm, is tracking to the north around 8 miles per hour. Once it moves into those warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, this thing is expected to rapidly intensify to a Category 3 hurricane, looking to make landfall sometime Wednesday morning in the Big Bend area of Florida. But even on that eastern side of the storm, if it's not making landfall, it still could bring some surge to places like Tampa Bay, which is what they're really concerned with as we go through the next couple of days. Now, watch us. Here we are, well north and well out of the fray of both of these systems, but let me show you what we're going to see here. Franklin, again, steering well clear, but as it churns up that ocean, it's going to send some waves in our direction. And I think along the Jersey Shore, we could see some rough surf, maybe some coastal flooding, and the concern for some rip currents, potentially beginning as early as tomorrow into Wednesday. And then as we go into the second half of the week, Idalia will be bringing some tropical and very heavy rainfall to the south and east. Our whole weather pattern will steer Idalia away from us, but it will also send a little cloud cover up and over that cold front. So even though we would have normally been just enjoying a lot of sunshine on Thursday, it looks like Idalia will keep our cloud cover around into the day on Thursday, but we'll still reap the benefits of this cold front, ushering in some drier and cooler weather for the second half of the week. It is not dry. It is not cool right now. It is quite warm and quite muggy. 80 degrees right now in Philadelphia. Feels like temperatures at 82 degrees, all thanks to that 65-degree dew point, and that dew point is going up from here. I think as we go into tomorrow morning, it's just going to be downright muggy with dew point values probably up to around 70 degrees. Again, that dew point is just that true gauge of how much moisture is in the air, and you can feel there's a lot of moisture in the air. Speaking of moisture, a couple of very stray showers clipping our western counties there. Maybe a few showers moving through D.C. I don't think we have too much to be concerned with in terms of rain today. Maybe a stray shower. Overall, though, the better chance of rain is going to be into Tuesday, but there it is, clearing out as we go into the second half of the week. Upper 70s with sunshine leading into 80s for the weekend. Jim, over to you.
Thank you, Grant. And a reminder, even when we aren't on the air, you can always get your forecast anytime on our streaming service and on our website. Just go to cbsphiladelphia.com/weather.